Hi again, this is part 2 of the break. Sorry about it cutting off, my iPad played up there. So I will show you the remaining hits I got, and then I'll do a quick overview of just the other autos and costumes. I got the Malik and the Degra autograph costume cards, and then I got the Jolene Baylock, which was the main hit of the box, Eric Pierpoint, Vaughn Armstrong, Menina as Orion Slave Girl, Jeffrey Combs, who many will know from Deep Space Nine, Kara, and Abby. And that was on top of the ones that I got in the part 1 that you saw. Brent Spiner as Sung, Linda Park as Hoshi Sato, Anthony Montgomery as Travis Mayweather, Brian Thompson, Bobby Sue Luther, Bruce Gray, Joanna Watts, Richard Reel, Stephen, Gary Graham, Crystal Allen, Alec Newman, Alexandra Lydon, Kaj Eric Erickson, Jay Paul, Bill Cobbs, Leslie Silver, and John. And then the costume cards: Commander Archer, Persis, Travis Mayweather, Soval, Silic, T'Pol, Rakin, Daniels, Lieutenant Talas, T'Pol, another version of T'Pol, and then Lieutenant Talas on a different version. I also got the 3 chases complete, as well as the base set, and that was everything in the archive box of Star Trek Enterprise. I hope you enjoyed watching, much appreciated, and I hope you enjoyed, and all